National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Tishomingo County in northeastern Mississippi until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:44 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Tishomingo, or near Tishomingo State Park, moving southeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Iuka, Tishomingo State Park, Burnsville, Tishomingo, Midway, Hayden, Dennis, Bloody Springs, Carter Branch, Mingo, Hauka, Petertown, Neal and Walker Siding. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Tishomingo, Mississippi,